Happy Monday, everybody, and happy finals week. So let me start my presentation real fast. I made some slides because I was really excited about all the changes in my course. All right. So I'm here to present about my brand new course, which is called Math 195W, which is called Mathematical Writing. And some history about the course. It actually has a very, very short history because we just created the course about 8 months ago or 9 months ago. It was created because the mathematics department really needed to have an upper division writing course, and we did not. So then therefore, we crafted the course to be offered for the first time in the fall of 2020. So I'm currently fresh teaching it for the first time, and there are three main goals. So the first one is to learn LaTeX, or to teach LaTeX. That is the typesetting language for mathematics, and also to develop mathematical writing products that include things like personal statements, and also a 10-page mathematics paper, and also to provide opportunities for mathematical presentations, including the elevator pitch and also a 10-minute mathematics presentation complete with slides. So quite a lot of material is created in this course. So let me talk to you just a little bit about LaTeX. So LaTeX, instead of using Word or Google Docs, mathematicians use something called LaTeX. And in particular, the way that we create all that pretty mathematics on the right-hand side is that we need to essentially just write down a bunch of code. So that's called LaTeX, and we use an online program called Overleaf that is free to students. And that was really one of the challenges in the course design, essentially trying to think about the way that Canvas and Overleaf talk to each other. And the other thing that we talk about is mathematical writing. What does that look like? And in particular, how is it different from your standard history paper or English paper? So for example, you can just see that the structure of a mathematical paper is very different, that it has all these little like definitions and examples and theorems and propositions, and a lot of pretty technical charts too. So new writing style for the students that requires LaTeX and Overleaf, and also mathematical presentations. So we don't use things like PowerPoint or Google Slides, but instead use LaTeX to be able to draw these things, not by hand, by the way, but instead by using some kind of code. So there's quite a lot of coding here in terms of the actual slide creation. So in terms of the actual fixes that we implemented to start in the winter that were identified by thinking about concerns that we had in the course delivery for the fall 2020 currently was the following: the integration in between Canvas and Overleaf, and making sure that students could seamlessly switch back and forth in between all the LaTeX stuff and all the Canvas stuff. So Fanny really helped me in terms of, she actually got her own Overleaf account, and we'll probably start to use LaTeX now, probably not, but we really have just a smoother integration now. Late arriving students. I have very high attendance in the course because it is required, but unfortunately, they usually come about 5 or 10 minutes late. So then therefore, brainstorming with Fanny, we came up with a lot of really great ideas for things like small quizzes at the beginning, how to set them up, what are the kinds of questions. So now I'm pretty sure that my students are going to come exactly on time. File organization, the syllabus, and an uninspiring layout were also problems that plagued the fall 2020 delivery. So let me actually show you by comparing what it is right now in the fall and the way that it looks
just really quickly. It's 5 minutes, but you can do
already?
another. You can do another minute. Yes.
Goodness gracious! All right. Well, let me skip file organization because the syllabus, here's what the old syllabus looks like. It's essentially just a PDF file, not very exciting, but here's what it looks like now, all thanks to my work with Fanny. So nice and crisp. And I had a really uninspiring layout. It was essentially like a poor man's webpage, just a whole bunch of random links. Now, of course, here's my new landing page and really smooth and colorful layout. In fact, it is so great that we have actually switched the course to now always be an online course, not just during the pandemic, but for the rest of time. So thank you so much, especially to Fanny for being so awesome.